Hello everyone, this is JB Stillwell, back for another episode of the Writer's Ramblings. I had fully intended to make this next discussion to be about my anxiety issues, which we'll touch a little bit on that, but something else has come up that I thought it would be more interesting to get this on video just to help everyone sort of understand what it's like living with these conditions. I've been applying for jobs in the Chicago area, a day job. Don't really want to. It's sort of a situation where I have to. I'm hoping that my husband can get a job, a really good job, and I can continue to stay home and be a homemaker, a mother, and of course a writer, and continue on with my book series and blog and whatnot. So I was interviewing for this position, and we were doing all the interviews via video and phone, and it was going really, really well, and everyone seemed to be really engaged and excited in conversations with me. And then 2 days ago, I got the call that they decided to go with someone else, which is okay because, like I've always thought since I played sports, regardless of how good you are, there's always going to be somebody out there who's better, so never stop improving yourself. So the interesting thing, a way how this affected me, is consciously I wasn't upset about it. You know, I very much believe that things are going exactly the way they're supposed to go, and I wasn't meant to have this particular job. Hopefully that's because my husband will get a good job and I won't have to work outside the home, but that's yet to be seen. Subconsciously, though, something else has been going on, and I have been exhibiting different aspects of depression mixed with some anxiety in there. Although I'm not sad, I'm not angry, I didn't cry about not getting the job or anything like that, but it really gets back to the physical expression of depression and anxiety. And that is, for the past 2 days, I have refused to leave the apartment. I don't want to leave the apartment. It causes me a great deal of anxiety to think about having to go out and interact with people face to face. It's more comfortable and safer inside the apartment. This also affects motivation to do things actually in the apartment, including clean around the apartment. Even getting into the shower is a huge deal. It's one of the reasons why I feel more comfortable doing videos and writing, because, and I was thinking about this, trying to be self-analytical as to why I am like that instead of wanting to like talk to people on the phone or interact with them face to face. And the only conclusion I could come to is that through the written word and somewhat through video, obviously not as much as through the written word, but I can better pretend that things are all right. Face to face, it's harder to keep up the charade, and it's very tiring. And on days like yesterday, today, it's just not worth it. So if you're out and about on the internet, feel free to say hi, because I'll be around while I continue to try to get things packed and ready for our move to Chicago. But I just wanted to drop a line to give you all a quick insight on what anxiety and depression can look like on a normal day. Take care.